In this video, we will be reviewing the Alive weight loss supplement. My ultimate goal is to help you to make the right decision according to your own weight loss goals by the end of this video. And we will do this by taking into account what are these Alive pills, how these pills work, their effectiveness, the ingredients, and the side effects. So by the time you can go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button and we'll get started. Starting with the number one question you may have: what is the Alive supplement? Regardless of your age or weight, Alive claims to help you reach your weight loss goals with its 100% natural ingredients. Alive weight loss pills are made in the United States at a GMP certified FDA registered facility with strict manufacturing standards. If that made you curious, then you must be wondering how these pills work. Well, to put it in simple terms, these pills target weight loss with their 100% natural ingredients while producing dopamine to reduce your food cravings. Shocking, right? Before I tell you how dopamine is linked to your weight loss, we must discuss some of the most important ingredients present in these Alive pills. The first one being green coffee bean extract. This is a popular weight loss supplement that contains a chemical called chlorogenic acid that affects your blood sugar and body metabolism, supporting weight loss. Next is guarana. Containing caffeine and being high in antioxidants, it is recommended to include guarana in your weight loss routine. It also works directly on our nervous system, secreting neurotransmitters such as dopamine in our brain. Another important one is T-creen that counterbalances the amount of caffeine. Therefore, it ensures that your body will be energized throughout the whole day. Most of these ingredients are validated to boost your metabolism while simultaneously increasing your calorie burn, while others support healthy dopamine levels, which will support you in your weight loss journey. However, to accurately understand how Alive supplement really works, we have to first understand how dopamine levels are linked to your weight loss journey. So, what is dopamine? Dopamine is basically a chemical that's found in our brain that is responsible for all our moods and feelings of reward and happiness. For instance, when you help someone in need, you experience happiness, or when you get enough sleep, you feel relaxed. Those are the times when the dopamine is at work and it creates feelings of pleasure. Similarly, dopamine is also responsible for obesity. Scientists have proven that obese people tend to eat more in order to arouse these dopamine pleasure circuits in the brain, same as in the case of drug addicts. So, improving dopamine function can actually help you lose weight. The main reason that these pills will work for you is because it is unlike any other weight loss supplements available in the market, as it targets your dopamine levels directly. It has scientifically proven ingredients that help you produce dopamine so you don't crave all those unhealthy foods. With Alive, it's so easy to lose weight as it only requires 5 seconds in the morning before breakfast to take the pill and produce dopamine throughout the day to control your cravings. Hence, these pills work by producing dopamine to stop cravings, which means you shouldn't think that this is some sort of a magic pill that will let you lose weight overnight. Neither should you think that you can now skip your workouts and your diet while taking these pills. To see the results faster, it is highly recommended to follow your diet and your workout routine, as the Alive pill has got the right ingredients like green coffee bean extract to help you lose weight even faster. So, should you take the Alive supplement? As the pill is made up of natural ingredients, it is entirely safe to take regardless of your age. Because of its natural ingredients, no side effects have been reported for the Alive supplement yet. However, if you have any medical conditions or allergies, you should consult your doctor before taking these pills. Let's discuss how to take these Alive pills. One bottle of Alive contains 60 tablets, and it is recommended to consume 2 capsules of the Alive pill daily with your breakfast. Let's talk about the price. Alive is only available online at $149 per bottle. However, right now they're running a pre-launch offer which I've linked in the description. In this offer, you can get a bottle of Alive for as low as $49 if you purchase the 6-month supply today. But that's not it. If you get the bundle right now, you will also get free shipping. Every purchase comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee, which means if you don't see the results with your Alive pills, then you can get your money back, no questions asked. But I don't think you'll be needing that refund, as these Alive pills will work for you, and even more so if you club it with a custom diet. I have recommended a custom keto diet plan for you in the description, which you can try with these Alive pills. But do keep in mind to consult a health expert or your personal coach when you club both of these together. So by now you must be wondering how to buy it. Here is a step-by-step analysis of buying Alive pills. Step 1. Click the link in the description or in the pinned comment to go to the official website of Alive, which looks something like this. Step 2. If you don't see the bundles and see a page, then hit refresh. Step 3. Now select your preferred bundle and click on this Buy Now button. Step 4. You'll be taken to this page. As you can see, this page is highly secured and SSL encrypted. Step 5. Just enter your purchasing details, make the payment, and wait for your Alive pills to reach your doorstep in the next few days. So finally, here is what I recommend. All I will do is suggest you to go ahead and try Alive for a month with the diet we recommend, or just the one that you've already been following with the exercises that you have been doing. At any point, if you feel like the Alive supplement is not working for you or you're unhappy with it, you can ask for a complete refund from the Alive team within 60 days of your purchase. In case you ever need to reach the support team, the email address is support@tryalive.com. And that wraps up the video. If you like this research-based approach to the supplements, you can support us by purchasing the Alive supplement from the links below. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you want to be the first to be informed about the latest supplements, pre-launch deals, and all the scams and the dirt in the supplement industry. I would love to hear about your experiences and results with the Alive pills in the comments below. Negative comments are also welcomed. I love you and thank you for staying till the very end.